Hello there. Okay, now I'm starting you off with the skirt part of the pattern, and I will do the top later. Okay, so far what I have done is 4 pieces. I've joined the center front, center back, and the pocket. I joined the pocket. Now this pattern is calling for opening seams and then top stitching. Okay, so both the front and the back. Now the bottom part also the same. You join the pieces, you press it open, and then you top stitch all the seams on both sides of the seam. Okay, so I've walked you through pockets and all that before, so I'm just gonna stitch the edge of the pocket. I like my pocket edge top stitch. This way it lies smooth and nice. So that's what I'm gonna do with you guys. Let me extend the stitch a little bit. That's it. Oh, I've ironed all my seams. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the other piece. Okay, that was hard to see. I'm gonna do the back piece, stitch the center, front, and the back, join the bottom part. I always forget the name. Okay, and then I'll pin it, stitch it, and then I'll be back. So hold on. Thank you. Hello, I'm back. Okay, I've pinned the bottom part to the skirt, so I'm gonna sew that now. Okay, now let's see the easiest way of doing this. Oh, yeah. I have my pin in there, so let's go slow. I can take my pin out. To get my pin out. Okay. Okay, let's go slow. Okay, now this is just a straight stitch, so I'll be right back again. Okay, so see you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I finished adding the bottom part and I'm top stitching it. Set to press the seam allowance towards the skirt itself, and then you top stitch it. So that's what I'm doing right now. And don't forget to iron as you sew. Okay, I'm almost done. I'll be right back again. Okay, I'm back. The skirt part is all done. It's just the bodice. I need to sew the bodice and join it. So this is the wrong side. And the pocket and all that is done. And as I said, I've walked you through pocket before. So I didn't show you that part. Now let's look at the right side. Let me take my pins out. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. There we go. Okay, here's the right side. That's the front. Okay, and this is the back where the zipper goes. So I don't know if you see it. I want to go back a bit so you can see me. I put it against myself. Okay, so this, as I said, the skirt part is all done. You just have to do the bodice part and then join it, and then I'll walk you through the original top. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Thanks. Thank you.